Welcome to this tutorial on how to troubleshoot a BMO joint account. A joint account is a type of bank account that is shared between two or more individuals, offering a convenient way to manage finances together. However, like any other account, it can experience issues that need to be resolved. To start troubleshooting your BMO joint account, first ensure that you have the necessary account information and documentation readily available. This includes the account number, joint account holder names, and any relevant identification. Next, identify the specific issue you are experiencing with your joint account. Common problems include difficulties with account access, transaction discrepancies, or issues with account management. Once you have pinpointed the problem, you can begin the troubleshooting process. If you are having trouble accessing your account, check that both account holders have the correct login credentials and that the account is not locked due to excessive login attempts. You can reset your password or retrieve your username through the BMO online banking platform or mobile app. For transaction discrepancies, review your account statement carefully to identify any suspicious or unauthorized transactions. If you find any, contact BMO customer service immediately to report the issue and request assistance with resolving the discrepancy. To manage your joint account effectively, it is essential to establish clear communication and account management practices between account holders. This includes regularly reviewing account activity, setting up account alerts, and designating specific responsibilities for account management tasks. In addition to these troubleshooting steps, it is crucial to be aware of the key concepts and best practices related to joint account management. These include understanding the rights and responsibilities of each account holder, maintaining accurate and up-to-date account information, and being mindful of potential risks associated with shared account ownership. By following these steps and adhering to best practices, you can efficiently troubleshoot and resolve issues with your BMO joint account, ensuring that you and your account holders can continue to manage your finances effectively and conveniently. Remember to always prioritize account security and maintain open communication to avoid potential issues and ensure a smooth joint account experience.